Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world for now. What's now today's news? Alright, so our monetary spirit they call Team Talk. When they let us know say Arsenal don't they discuss Benzema internally. So they would like to carry the guy on a 6-month loan deal from Al Ittihad. So now, say before we hear all this news, you'll be like saying a rumor, and they talk say, what is the possibility that this can happen? But now, we don't hear them now say Arsenal they highly interested in signing Karim Benzema. So, say I'm not gonna know how it will be. Do we have the money to fund this transfer? So now that one be another to myself. I can't look say how possible is it for us to sign this player? Because the first question where you go ask now, how much Karim Benzema the earn for Al Ittihad? We go make Arsenal the reason say maybe they won't go sign him. Because can we pay that wages? If not, maybe the way we go take play. Fine, you might argue that if he come here, he go fit score some chances if they create them because Arsenal is a chance creation side. So maybe go struggle with goal scoring opportunities. So more just to watch. Because for me, I still very, very skeptical. I did doubt the possibility of Arsenal getting him because the loan fee is not really the problem. The problem is paying his wages. Can Arsenal pay the wage he gets? Because there's 100 and something million now they collect per year. So maybe it will bring the price down for Arsenal. Like I don't see the possibility of this happening. But more just the watch. Maybe like I say with the preempt things. More just the watch. Yeah. Now, away from that, so PSG don't put Goncalo Ramos up for sale. You get now this guy they buy him from Benfica. They first carry him on loan, then later they come make the loan permanent, about £69 million. But now they feel say the guy has surplus to requirements, it's not really what they need. So now they don't put the guy up for sale. So anybody who won't buy him or either sale or loan, they shall want make the guy come out because they really get playing time over there. So that is why they want making fine in square root. So now the likes of Manchester United and Arsenal, now they offer the player to say, see this guy, is they available now? And I thought they fine striker. And this Goncalo Ramos is a very, very good player. If you remember, for Portugal, now they used to replace Cristiano Ronaldo that year. We say that the boss net. Yeah, so I personally say if you give him chances, instead of score, a very, very young player. So I don't know what to not say because all this information, as long as I have them, believe you me, because at that time, Gaspar Vinayvankashian, the scouts at Arsenal, they are privy to this type of information. Say, this is a player they are available for you. You know when you watch the All or Nothing documentary where the Amazon do with Arsenal, and there you go know say, you see Ateta, you see Gaspar, you get these people, they know every player where they available. Player will say in contract will soon expire. Player where they on low. Player where they available for a permanent transfer. They get their own people where we say they check all this information. They get the data. So at the end of the day, now whether they go make a move for the player, now there be the arguments. But whether Goncalo Ramos know how to play, the guys sabi play. You get so now whether Arsenal will put their money where their mouth is because we actually need a striker and we don't need somebody very, very expensive. We need options, loan. Like now, also with the portion of loan, we still get 3 loan slots because in the season you are eligible for 4 loans. Get we don't take one with trial. So now we get 3 more slots. So 3 more players can still come in through the loan route. So we could make sure so we exploit this particular opportunity. Alright, so Emmanuel Petit also come as I call to talk about this same bet. I tell you talk say this Benzema matter. This thing, everybody don't they chook eye for there now. The trend gone and many people they link the guy with Arsenal. So Petit come as I call to talk about this. They say this Benzema say sadly he know they for those way they like advocates for Arsenal to get Benzema. Say no support the move. And Babacon they give in reasons why he no support the move. Number one, because they say Benzema is 34 years old. Me, I say the guy like 36. I'm surprised if they call him 34, but let's just take it. That's not 36. What's the difference? Then Benzema is 34 years old, and Benzema played a majority of his playing career in Europe for Real Madrid. For that reason, him coming to the EPL this time around, the EPL is not La Liga. Benzema need to know this one. EPL is not La Liga. EPL is not Saudi Arabian League. EPL is a very, very physical league. So will Benzema thrive in the EPL. Now be one of the questions wey Emmanuel Petit dey ask. They say whether it will make sense, because I don't think he will want to come here because physically this place is very, very tough. Say it will make sense, make Arsenal go for somebody else. Now be the argument of Emmanuel Petit to be one of our Arsenal legends. Now when I saw that his argument, I don't really value the argument, because if you are talking about physicality, is Edin Ketia physical? Is Gabriel Jesus physical? So when you're talking about physical, we will not really get problem with physicality. Get now chance conversion. We dey create chances on the platter of gold for people and they don't really convert them. Now that area me they look not really physical. Even if physical, Benzema no physical, you know good. That should not be. That's not my priority. So I don't know as when they watch now. What you really think about this Benzema move? Say Arsenal, I don't be so one buy and permanently, that alone, because sometimes they will say half loaf of bread is better than nothing. So instead of not getting a striker that will come in, and you are given the opportunity, real opportunity to get Benzema, say all things being equal, we can get him. Are you telling me you will say we should not get him because of what Emmanuel Petit is saying, that the EPL is physical? No. If things were equal and we have our money, will we be talking about Benzema in the grand scheme of things? No. But because the circumstances are not normal, that is why in the series they link us with Benzema, because we don't have that financial leeway. The earlier people understand this, the better for us. So I don't know whether Petit really understand the fact that we don't have the money to throw around and buy the A targets and the B targets we are clamoring for. So for that reason, anything, any straw we will pick for ground, we will manage them until season end. So that's what me I'm saying. So what are your thoughts on this Benzema matter? Alright, so moving on, Ali McCoist will be one of the football pundits out there. Also, Kokoma Psychology say Arsenal can't win the league. This is why they say the one with the league, the one with the league. They cannot win the league with Gabriel Jesus and Edin Ketia. So that should be a fact that should register in the minds of all Arsenal fans. They should go and break the bank for Ivan Toney, following Ivan Toney's statements we make to Sky Sports when they talk say if they say he won't play for top club where they win title. Say as long as say the right club comes in and pays the right money to Brentford, because in as much as he wants to leave Brentford, doesn't want to leave them high and dry. He wants to make sure say then they're well compensated. Yes. So as long as you come in, you pay the right money. This January, Shola, I go follow you. They go. So that's what Baba is saying. We could go break the bank, even if the thing go carry us for the wrong place with financial fair play. Go and do it. Later you sort out your differences by selling players. And myself, I don't go lie for you. I subscribe to this line of thoughts, but the thing is, I would like Moko get. If you say Moko choose between Osimhen and Ivan Toney, I will choose Osimhen all day long. But as it is now, it be like Osimhen not even there for our radar, like it's not even available. So we don't have a choice. When the desirable is not available, then the available becomes desirable. That's just what's happening. So this Ivan Toney really here, we don't get choice. Not only in there for our radar, and he's the only person willing to come and join us. So if you have to break the bank, sign him. Me, I know they look in years and they look at what is he bringing to the table. That's what me I'm looking at. Not by years. If truly, because everything na risk. If he will really come in and do what we need them to do, score goals, then I'll be happy. But you can never know until we take the risk and sign him. So that's just the way it is. So we'll just watch how this transfer will go. Today now 18. We get like maybe 12-13 days to go. So we'll just watch whether any miracle will happen. Alright, William Gallas, on the other hand, for commerce I say Arsenal they miss Granit Xhaka. Say Granit Xhaka supposed to come in, like assist Declan Rice, because Arsenal they miss that banner player. You see the way Bruno Guimaraes before Newcastle, they say if in they play, they very, very rough, like they mark people, they do people anyhow. Say Arsenal miss that kind of player in Granit Xhaka. So like to say Granit Xhaka they here, at least before they complement Declan Rice, because you need another physical player to complement Rice to solidify that our midfield. So sadly, we don't have that person now. So we'll just watch how things they go. Say Arsenal need to get somebody. Then they hear say Amadou Nana is coming to Arsenal. Like say it will make sense. Make somebody come in to come assist Rice. Rice alone cannot do the whole job. Forget they buy 100 million plus. Him alone cannot do everything. So moving on. So Ray Parlour also come as I call it, say Arsenal really need a striker, a left back, and a midfielder. Say that what he will take for Arsenal to win the league this season. I'm going to make sure they sign those things this time around. As they talk, as I read the report, I just laugh for my mind. I say all these legends, they just talk. They don't know the true situation of things. Although when I was reading the report, as I can't reach for the ending, I can see where they talk say all these things when they mention is going to be costing Arsenal at least 150 million and above. Now the question in my mind can be say, where is this money going to be coming from? Ivan Toney alone is going to be costing at least bad 80 million. So where you want to see the midfielder, which midfielder? So that's the major problem we have now. Yes, most people just they talk, buy this, buy that, but then they look at the reality, say that money they will not be say the money no day, it day, but to spend that it no easy. Yes, so it is what it is. I know everybody now. You see, if you notice, everywhere just quiet. Most Arsenal fans know really they complain say Arsenal never sign, and the reason is because themselves notice say every other club, big clubs also never sign. The thing where they catch Arsenal, the same sickness where they catch Arsenal, then they catch everybody. So we'll just the watch. What's going to happen at the end of the day? Highest. You go, yes, maybe Chelsea sign one player, or Arsenal sign one or two players. You get, or Manchester United sign one player. Like nobody has signed, and today now 18. You know they shock you like. This is supposed to make you sit down when they evaluate things. So what's going on? What is different about this particular transfer window? It's supposed to change your orientation and your mindset on how things are moving in the transfer window. So this is what it is. Now, Crystal Palace, we Arsenal won't play on Saturday, early kickoff. Do you know that Crystal Palace in their last 11 games they have just won 1? They are in a very, very precarious situation, in a very, very bad run of form. Because when we say the cup match they play when they lose against Everton, I think that was yesterday. The fans when they para for Hawkins, when they sing, you don't know what you are doing. And they sing for her. So that this is Crystal Palace, we serve one play. And you know what they pay me? When they come play us now, this is Crystal Palace, when we say in their last 11 games, they never win more than 2. Now one they win. You get, they will come better, they will come turn up. You come in shock, say, nobody said Crystal Palace. And why this match? They somehow it will do so much difficult is the fact that Crystal Palace coming to the Emirates Stadium, they may not come to play. Yeah, they will come defend. 10 men behind the ball because in the last 11 games they won 1. So what are the odds that they will come here to come and beat Arsenal? So the game won't get killed before you know counter attack back, they will give us 1. Then we will all lock up. So I just press and make everything just different. We'll carry our A game. Like we don't rest enough. Anything aside a win will not be acceptable. About Rafinha, also Kokoma Sakari talk say he almost joined Manchester United, but say he can go join Barcelona and say he like Arsenal, has this fondness for Arsenal. And what make can bring up this talk now? The fact say back I want to put Rafinha for markets. So the guy they feel say maybe Arsenal will still rekindle that move where they won't do before in agents will be like say now the director of football for Barca now Deco. That time because the Arsenal say this boy like now. But the problem is say Barca ain't say won't go, Barca or nothing. Even when Chelsea offered the biggest money, he rejected them. Say it is Barca or nothing. So now we say blessing will enter Barca because Barca need to sell before they can buy. The same situation where Arsenal and everybody. So they need to sell before they can buy. So they are thinking of selling the likes of Rafinha because it's like supposed to requirements, not really giving them what they require. So I don't just know whether Arsenal will go back for Rafinha as a cover for Bukayo Saka. So we'll just the word, like I said, today is 18. Let's just keep counting down. Then so we'll know whether anything will give. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so I get all Arsenal update as they drop all over the world. So signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you, out.